How to add multiple phone numbers in one contact. Let's get started. Launch your phone app. Now navigate to the Contacts tab. Now click on the plus icon. Now from here you can set up a new contact. First up, type in the name, then type in the last name, then type in the company name, then click on the option of add phone. Now go ahead and type in the phone number. As you want to add multiple numbers, click on add phone again, then type in the number. If you still want to add another number, click on add phone, then type in. Likewise again click on add phone, type in the phone number. Once you are done with adding the phone, now you can add an email address. Likewise pronounce. You can select the ringtone, text tone, add URL, add address, add birthday. You can add up all these details and then click on done. So this is how you can easily add multiple phone numbers in a single contact. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.